Wilmington is by far one of the best boating locations on the East Coast. Today I'm going to show you some of the best spots to launch your boat for free, so public access ramps. Now there are tons of private ramps, marinas, and dry docks. I'm not going to get into that. This is where if you have a boat and you can legally operate it on the water, these are the spots where you can get in the water today. Let's check it out. So we're starting here at Wrightsville Beach boat ramp. This is kind of the primary, the best spot. It's the closest to where I live and I frequent the most. It's the biggest. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes here, tons of parking. Warning, it can get very, very busy, but this is where we're gonna start and then we're gonna head south. Right now, this is the Wrightsville Beach drawbridge. We're going under, so there's traffic going to Wrightsville Beach right over our heads. This bridge actually opens to allow for sailboats and larger vessels to get through. I think it opens generally on the hour if there's a boat waiting to get through. It can cost you another 10 minutes of delay, but it's kind of cool to see the bridge like lifted up. It's really neat. It's a Wednesday. All right, so now we're at Trails End Park, which is one of the smallest, it's actually the smallest boat ramp. There's only one single lane, but there are 2 docks here. It can get a little congested, but this is a great kind of midway point between Wrightsville Beach and Carolina Beach. Really great access to Masonburg Island and a lot of good fishing out here in the intercoastal. Tons of people will launch kayaks from here too. It's a very easy place to get smaller kayaks in and out. This is Carolina Beach boat ramp. Right behind me is Carolina Beach. You can also get out to the ocean here. This is probably about 30 minutes from Wrightsville, give or take, something like that. "20 minutes from Trails End. This is another really, really great spot to launch. All right, have fun. See you later. All right, the last boat ramp you're gonna see today is downtown, right underneath the Cape Fear Memorial Bridge. I don't have enough time to get there today because that would add probably another half hour to 45 minutes from here, but you can get there from here at Carolina Beach if you just go that way through Snow's Cut and around and up the Cape Fear River. Launching downtown, the benefit there is it's very scenic. You're not gonna have nearly as much boat traffic as you do on the Intercoastal Waterway. But you're not gonna be able to get out to the ocean as quickly. So if you're looking for a nice sunset river cruise, go downtown. You can dock downtown and go have a drink. Or you can come around through Snow's Cut and go that way too. But that's gonna be the 4th and final place that you can launch your boat for free here in the Wilmington area. But whatever you do once you're on the water, it's totally up to you. There are millions of acres to explore. All these areas are so fun to explore, and little inlets and rivers and all kind of waterways. If you're a fisherman, you can fish in the intercoastal. You can go out to the, you can go out deep sea fishing. If you're like me, I just like to hang out here at sandbars with my friends and bounce around on the weekend, enjoy the sun. Always operate your boat safely, follow all the rules, make sure it's legal, but get in the water. That's what makes this place such an amazing place to live. Have fun, and I'll see you out in the waterway.